Hey guys, it's Ben at the Neighborhood Plumber, and today we're gonna be taking out a old storage tank and we're gonna be putting in a tankless with a built-in recirculating pump. We're gonna get at it. We're taking this vent out and we're doing a more efficient PVC exhaust vent that's gonna go directly out the side of the house. That's how you run plumbing right there. The SharkBite Tankless Flush Kit, an awesome life-saving product. SharkBite has adapted with the industry and I mean, you just can't beat it.